Okay, here's the book show. Guards. That's what it says. Coast Guard. Coast Guard. Coast Guard. 5060 10101. So, and this is, no, it says 660 013. And it says the same on the other side. Right here. The Bark Show by the robot. And he would have just this helmet into it. A collage helmet. You see there? What the glasses? So you can change his helmet. You can see his head. It's connected with the helmet. Here, see it? We'll take that first. But now here's the vehicle. It's like a helipad, but it has these things on it. This goes on this side, but we'll check out this side. Oops. Some reflection. Here we go again. Sorry, that was just a video. That was just sorry. That was just a video. The virtual's not working right now, so I think I'll see you later. Bye.